welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. Ukhathazile goes to see Mshengu to beg him ukuthi amiyeke asebenze eKhata's kitchen because she has nothing to do with whatever that's going on between him and his sons. Athi Mshengu, no, you do because nguwe ohlangane nabadodana ami nayenza that celebration indumezulu yomqimbi against my will. Athi ngiyacela baba, I know you shouldn't have done it. And then I told Mshengu ebizwa ukuthi he's summoned to Shaba Snacks from his lawyer Hlatshwayo. He gets there, he's like, ubani ungibizayo, ubani ungisamonayo. Then they tell him ukuthi the executives or board members have realized ukuthi wena you're not fit to run the company, so they're demanding that you step down. Athi angeke, again they start voting. And then umuntu engagcina segibele netafula athi kwami la ubone kahle ukuthi it says Shaba Snacks, shabalala, this is mine, all mine. And then they say bavote athi hayi yena namadodana akhe bayema bonke. He knows that phamsi isandla ukuthi against him. Baphakamise acaleke uFakazile aphakamise ukuthi he wants him gone. Aphakamise noDonga looking him straight in the eye. Uncubeko sabana ukuphakamisa isandla asisukumi kahle. And then the vote yamudla ke but okay, you have to leave. We'll drive the paperwork athi angiyindawo la. This is my place. Beke nenyoka etafuleni athi you amadodana amangijikele nisicalekiso ni influencer ile nyoka le uFakazile. And then they uDonga noNcubeko they think uyazini baba, we've had it with you, hambe goduka uhambe ekhaya athi angiyindawo ngiyahlala la. They ended up having to lift him out of Shaba Snacks. Bamkhiphela ngaphandle ke athi nizoyisola ngalento enenza, you're starting war, blah blah blah. Bamkhiphela ngaphandle. Ukhathazile goes to Ndumiso and says, but we need to do something about this. We're losing money. Athi Ndumiso says, I don't even know what to do anymore. I think we must just wait for him to come down. As Utsidi told me, I must just make sure on the rocks it's under my name because bona manje, I should have done that. Bona manje uba sikola. And then Udidi noThoba, they have a disagreement. Udidi says Thoba does not have a plan, and Nyare does not have a job. She does not have a job. If she goes to school, she's gonna have to ask her parents for money. So she thinks she must just not go to school and look for a job. Athi Thoba, no, just let Ulangalihle stay with her dad while you go to school. After 3 years will be done, you take him as just in. I shouldn't have asked for advice from you because you don't have a child, you're not a parent, you don't know how it's like. And then they have a disagreement. Dr. said to Thoba, you know what, since you every time there's money issues you can blame her. Sure, it's like you're a gold digger. Hamba, go back to your boyfriend Tandy. Go back to him because you're always going on about he's got inheritance, he's got a job, a Shaba Snacks and blah blah blah. Auntie, how can you say such hateful words to me? Auntie Nami, I've just realized I thought I know you, but I don't. Because every time there's a financial problem, you always bring this up. So has everything. So go back to him, that boyfriend of yours, and Aktand. Auntie Udidi, I should have listened to my Ukatazi. And then Thoba walks out on Didi at the restaurant. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.